Dear friends, you are watching Travel for Wild. Iran is a famous and historical country. In Islamic history, Iran has got a great worth. It is the land of religious personalities and pious scholars. Tehran is the capital city of Iran. In this video, we will tell you about the history and facts of Tehran. For this, watch full video till the end. And if you are new to this site, don't forget to subscribe this channel by clicking the bell icon below for getting the latest updates. I am Muhammad Naeem and you are watching Travel for Wild. My dear friends, maybe you know that Tehran is also the capital of province in Iran, as well as Tehran is famous for science and literature. The history of this city is rooted back to 9th century. Persian language was first recognized in this city. The old name for this city was Sharistan. City is divided into two huge managing parts. One area is part of the city, while other area is called metropolitan area. The population of the Tehran is 9 lakhs. Traffic load is the serious issue for the residents. Because of huge traffic rush, government has introduced an underground railway system. Friends, you will be surprised to know that a very interesting thing to solve the traffic problem is also done in Tehran. Government has announced that cars with even registered number can enter in the street on one day, and on second day, other vehicles with odd numbers can enter. In this way, people having cars can enter streets and do shopping and grocery alternatively according to the car registered numbers. Is it interesting or not? Please share your opinion in the comments below. Viewers, this city was formed centuries ago. However, Muhammad Karim Khan Zand was a leader of 1750s, is considered as the founder of this city. As this person done a very important thing, he resolved the war between different tribes settled around the city and made them friends. So people declared Muhammad Karim as their leader. He remained in the city for 50 years, but he became an aim to conspiracies and the government again went back under the opponents. Do you know, my friends, at the time of Indo-Pak occupancy, Britishers also took charge of Iran. Iran got its independence and the leaders who were involved in rising voice and fight for freedom were honored by the people of Iran. They built a tower called Azadi Tower in the memory for these brave people. The height of this tower is 143 feet. This Iranian design structure has its own place in the world. Not only this, but the National Jewelry Museum is also the proof of the skills of Muslim artists. My dear viewers, if we take a look on Islamic history, then many great personalities were born in Iran. The name of Nasir al-Din Qajar is at top of the list. He was founder and teacher of Persian language. Apart from it, many beautiful mosques are also kept the values of Islamic alive. Imam Khomeini Mosque is one of them. It is very beautiful and present in the area connected to the main market. Viewers, the total area of Tehran is 574 square kilometers. Iran has Shia followers throughout the country. It is the most followed belief. The weather of this city is hot and dry. However, moderate cold can be enjoyed in December and January. Tehran has also its importance in terms of trade. It has Tehran International Tower, which is an important trade center. It is a tall building with 56 stories. Friends, if you ever go to this city, then do not forget to visit the Tabiat Bridge. The bridge is famous for its artistical work. It was built in 2010 and its length is 270 meters. The night side of the bridge is very spellful. Tehran has also many amusements, like you can visit Jamshedin Park and National Garden. They are amazing and have beautiful of their own. This is all about Tehran. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share in the comments. We will come again with another interesting videos. Stay tuned to our channel Travel for Wild. Thank you.